Very good morning to all. How are you? Fine, very good. Here, I am your maths teacher, Priti from Sanskar, the Gurukul International School. So, students, as we noted, yesterday we have completed our lesson 5. The topic is, what's the topic is that? Essential terms of mathematics. Essential terms of mathematics. Yesterday we have told you four types of a basic mathematics. Which one? First one is addition, second one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, and fourth one is division. Okay. So today we are going to learn our new chapter, our new lesson 6. The topic is system of numeration. System of numeration. Okay. They are very easy, very simple and basic knowledge about system of numeration. In Hindi we have called Ganana Pranali. So this is a chart of Ganana Pranali. In this chart, 3 columns are there, 1, 2 and 3. The first column is Bharatiya Ganana Pranali and the second column of numeral Sankhya, and third one is System of Numeration International. How can write here the digit of Bharatiya Ganana Pranali? See, first one, Ikai. What is the meaning of Ikai? Ones, Dahai, tens, and Sakra, 100, Hazar, 1000, and 10,000, 10,000. We have write in digit Ikai equal to 1, Dahai is 10, Sakra is 100, Hazar is 1000, 10,000 is 10,000. Okay. And English we have called 1 is units, tens, Dahai is tens, Sakra is 100, Hazar is 1000, and 10,000 is 10,000. When we are right in Bharatiya Ganana Pranali of digit, we have go to right to left side. जब भी हम भारतीय गणना प्रणाली में नंबर को डिजिट को अरेंज करते हैं तो लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की ओर जाते हैं. ओके. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट में 3 डिजिट के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे कॉमा लगाते हैं. देन आफ्टर एवरी 2 डिजिट वी हैव यूज्ड इन कॉमा सीक्वेंस. ओके. Here is the first example 1. There is a 2 column are there. First one tens and second one units. We have called units or ones. Both of are same. Okay. When we are starting our number reading, we go right side to left side. Now unit Ikai 5 digit are here. We have called unit, and tens Dahai means 2 digit is there, means 25 because 2 tens column are there. 2 जो है tens column में आया हुआ है, इसलिए हम क्या बोलते हैं, इससे 25 पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. पढ़ने के टाइम में जब भी हम पढ़ते हैं, पढ़ने के टाइम में हम लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की ओर पढ़ेंगे, और नंबर जब हम डिजिट को काउंट करते हैं तो राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड की ओर जाते हैं, ऑपोजिट पोजीशन. ओके. लिखते वक्त नंबर को डिजिट को पढ़ते वक्त हम राइट साइड टू लेफ्ट साइड की ओर जाएंगे, और हिंदी में पढ़ते वक्त हम क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की ओर आते हैं. सो 25. The total digit is 25. 2 and 5. 25 is equal to, we have called in Hindi 25. We have called in Hindi 25 and we have called in English 25. We have called in English 25. This is a code of system of numeration. This is a system of numeration as a part. So my dear student, see another one more example here. Example 2. What is the difference of this example? In this example, one more column are here. Okay? 3 columns are there. 1, 2 and 3 columns. In first column we have called unit, second column we have called tens and third column we have called 100. Okay? Ikai, Dahai, Sacra. In Hindi we have called Ikai, Dahai, Sacra. The total number is 521 equal to 125. जब भी हम नंबर या डिजिट को लिखते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड की ओर लिखते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड की ओर पढ़ते हैं. ओके, अब यहाँ देखिए 125. 125 वी हैव कॉल इन हिंदी 125. वी हैव कॉल इन हिंदी 125 and we have called in English 125. 125. Okay, so my dear student, let's go example here. Example 3. In example 3, one more column increasing here. See, one more column increasing here. How many columns are there? 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 4 columns, first column we have called units, second column the part of tens, and third column the part of 100, and fourth column the part of 1000. Okay, we have called in English, we have called in Hindi Ikai, Dahai, Sacra, Hajar. 4 numbers are there. 4, 3, 1, 5. When we write a digit, we have started from right side to left side, and when we read this digit, we have to go left side to right side. Now see how many numbers are there. 5134. 5134. Why after 5 we have put in comma? Because the 1000 part is not included in this part. In this column, in this 3 column, we have called 1 part, and 1000 is we have called 1 part. In 1000 column, 2 parts are there, and in this column, 3 columns, we have called 1 part. Okay. Now, जब भी हम भारतीय गणना प्रणाली में डिजिट को जब हम अरेंज करते हैं तो राइट साइड से 3 डिजिट के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, कॉमा पुट करते हैं. ओके, राइट साइड से 3 डिजिट 1 2 3 डिजिट के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, कॉमा डालते हैं. उसके बाद प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा आफ्टर 2 डिजिट. 2 डिजिट के बाद क्या होगा, कॉमा हम डालेंगे. ठीक है, 2 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा डालेंगे, हम डालते हैं. और यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट के बाद फर्स्ट जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे तो 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा डलेगा. उसके बाद हम प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे आफ्टर 2 डिजिट. ओके, सो वी हैव कॉल इन हिंदी एंड वी हैव राइट इन हिंदी 5134. 5134. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. 5134. Okay, and English we have write and call 5134. Okay, in this chapter 1 by 1 column are increasing here. Okay, 1 by 1 column are increasing here. So my dear student, please take your notes book and see chapter 6. The topic is system of numeration. open your book, see page number and read this talika. Okay, and please write in your notes copy, maintain your chart and write it and learn it. Okay, so bye bye and take care yourself. Stay home and save your life.